In this video, I will show how to write first in Microsoft Excel. So write the now one. Now right click on it, format cells. Now click on font and here write the superscript. So firstly write here ST, only select ST, then right click, then format cells, and here in the font select superscript, then click on OK. So this is the short way to write first in Microsoft Excel. Similar way you can write second. Select ND, right click, format cells and select superscript. So this is the way you can write first, second, third. Thanks for watching.